Time has run out for companies that flout workplace safety rules. From tomorrow, penalties for violations will be doubled from $1,000 to $2,000 on average. Now, this comes as 33% more enforcement actions were given out during inspections. The Manpower Ministry calls it a worrying decline in compliance to workplace safety standards. Michelle Teo tells us more.
It's clear that companies need to take greater ownership of safety at the workplace.
Strong words from Senior Minister of State for Manpower Zaqy Mohammed after the country suffered 26 workplace fatalities this year.
Many of these fatalities and workplace injuries were indeed preventable and were not due to inexperienced workers as some had speculated. So instead, they occurred due to basic safety lapses such as inadequate control measures and a lack of compliance with proper methods. And this goes to show that company management must prioritize workplace safety and health while managing their progress at work.
Accompanied by the media, inspectors from the Manpower Ministry visited a company specializing in tentage and stage setups. Some violations observed included metal parts that were stacked over 2 meters high without any shelving. There were also unlicensed forklift operators, as well as exposed live wires on a circuit board, a dangerous electrical hazard. The firm has since been issued a stop work order. It will have to fix all the issues before they can resume work again. But installing the necessary shelving systems will require money that the firm may not have.
政府部门或者是 so-called 那些authority 他们都是会要你用那种比较原装、比较正确的东西，所以这些东西我们买的时候是会很贵的东西，好像 racking system 啦，那些很好的那种 lifting 的东西都会很贵的东西来的，好了，就是这样，所以对我们来讲是负担很大。
Even then, it's a cost the firm will have to bear. They'll also have to engage external auditors to review current systems should there be a major injury on site. Singapore is also implementing a code on workplace safety duties for company directors this year. This means that when courts decide on judgments and penalties, they can take into account whether firms heeded the guidance that was set out. Still, industry players say more can be done.
The government could also create more awareness that employees can contact MOM should they notice safety lapses that were not addressed by their supervisors or management. And suggestion is to make these safe courses mandatory for companies.
Enforcement efforts will also focus more on the manufacturing, construction and marine shipyard sectors. That's especially as 65% of fatalities and major injuries came from workers employed by small and medium-sized enterprises in those sectors.